fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and seaweeds account for the world's fifth largest agricultural resource, after rice, forest products, milk, and wheat. They account for 7.5% of the total world food production. Small-scale fishing has traditionally been a livelihood of last resort for the poor and the unemployed, and fishing communities are frequently among the poorest in many countries, especially in the Southeast Asian region. The fishery sector, therefore, was originally seen by many governments more as a source of employment and subsistence for the poor, rather than as a lucrative investment. Added to this was the popular idea that continues to persist even now, that fishing is not much different from gambling, where the element of luck plays a huge part to one's success. Not so to a couple in the city of Bogo. To this couple, fishing has become a way of life and the means by which they were able to partake of the bounty of God's earth, and the channel through which they were able to help a lot of families in the community by providing them with jobs and food on their tables.
Our fishing business is actually a legacy from my husband's parent, Narciso Jusay Sr. as Tatay Inar, and the mother is Lourdes Jusay. And then they were fishing in the traditional fishing ground since 1940s. And then within our management, we prospered the business, my husband and the fish workers efficiency. We already still have boats using sonars and GPS, mobile positioning, and also the mobile phones and radios. For today, we can see that we also have the post-harvest facilities around the fish port that we can use in all our business for the marketing and the post-harvest facilities, the ice plant. Efficiency of our business with the aid of the modern technologies. Partners, our fish workers, we had we had them since 1975 up until now, and one of our uh, harmonious relationship with our fish workers is that we are practicing the profit sharing scheme. And for this establishment of our fishing business, it's one of the solutions for the unemployment.
By employing modern technology in their fishing operations and applying business principles to their endeavor, they have eliminated, or at least minimized, the notion that fishing is essentially a gambling proposition.